We've just been talking about the problem of what is a project and objections of project managers to some of the points I've been making. And we've been saying that um, some of the better project managers don't stick doggedly to what you might believe that comes out of the professional project institutions. We've also been saying that raises the problem of, well, if project managers don't do what the professional institutes imply they do, then just what is it project managers do? I think one of the problems we're dealing with here is it's the language of projects that's the problem. Because the language of projects implies an awful lot of things which are disjoint to what happens in the real world. This causes confusion in our minds. Language of projects is used for things which are not really run as projects. Our thinking is confused, and project means different things to different people. I know on occasions I've given this talk to a room full of developers, and I've had developers come to me afterwards and say, that definition you gave of a project taken from one of the official sources, they say, I didn't know that was a project. To many developers, a project is a code base, or it's a configuration file. And to different people, the word project means different things. The professional project institutes have a very clear definition of what it is. People outside of that world have different mental definitions of what a project is, and it's very confused between us. I think a lot of teams I see, I think they talk about project teams, but they're actually what I would call false projects. They use the language of projects to describe the work they're doing, but what they are actually doing is not a project. It is work without end. It is ongoing work on the same code base, on the same product. And one project is followed by another project and followed by another project. And it's largely the same team working on the same code base, doing similar things to extend that product, that code base, year after year after year. But we talk about it as a project. We talk about it being finished. We apply those project success criteria. And really, it just confuses everyone. It confuses the management. It confuses our governance processes. It confuses the individuals doing the work. It misleads us. So the solution here is really very simple. We just want to stop talking that way. And I think you'll find that managing software development easier if you stop thinking about projects. If you start thinking about software development, as products, as code bases that go on again and again and deliver value. Perhaps what we really need is a whole new set of language initiatives and work streams and client engagements and other things. I haven't worked out what the language is yet. But we keep using the word project and we keep confusing people. Maybe we need new language. Solution sounds easy to describe, harder to do in practice. In the remaining episodes of this mini-series, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the new model we're heading for, the post-project, beyond projects type model.